Hey traders, so I wanted to shoot you this video because one of the things that I've always spoken about that has been a real primary reason why I've been able to grow, a modest trading account into quite a significant amount of money. So for those that don't know, I took 30k to 180k and then to 300k and now even higher than that, a lot higher than that. And a big part of what I've been doing is I've been taking risks, and the risks are I sometimes will close a crypto that I really believe in the long term, but I think is a little bit over pumped, overvalued, and then I'll swap it for something else. And that's a really important part of me growing my account, and it's taking some risks. So I kind of, I've shown you in the past what I've done, and I'm going to do something right now live, and that is I'm going to sell my Cardano, even though I believe it's going to go much higher. So if you have a look at Cardano, this is where we are. And if you look at this against ETH, you'll see it looks overvalued, right? It looks like ETH will outperform it. Okay, it looks overpumped. It looks like a straight line. And if you kind of look at Ethereum here, I really like this area here. So I think that my swap is going to make me more money than if I hold on to Cardano. Now Cardano may also go up, but the most important thing is that I'm going to make more by swapping. I believe I'm going to make more by swapping Cardano with Ethereum. So I am going to go into my account right now, and I'm going to take this trade idea, and then we'll see if that was a smart move or not. Hopefully I'll get this right. So I'm swapping my 10,388 Cardano for 8.58 Ethereum. So let's do it. Let's see, we've got a limit there. It's 8266. I think that will be fine. Okay, and that's it. We have done it. So we're going to wait and see what happens now. Hopefully it's a good call. What I'm also going to do, guys, is I am going to put some alerts on Cardano, because I would love to buy this, load up again, but I'm looking to get in at a slightly better price than where we are, if we can. So if I just kind of go in, and I will add in my fibs. I would love to buy basically some here at 2.25-ish, 2.26, and then if we are very lucky, around $2 again. That would be absolutely great if we can get that pullback. Now, if this market doesn't pull back and it starts to go higher, then I will look for an opportunity to get back in, even if I have to pay a little bit more. You've got to remember that if Ethereum has outperformed it, I've actually made more money, so I could sell some of that Ethereum and essentially buy back more Cardano. So I'm just putting in some supporting lines there as well, so we can see exactly what's going on here. So ideally, if we can just get that, I don't even know, I think it will get to this line before here, so unless it had a big drop, I don't think it's going to get down here without breaking this line. So if it breaks this line, then we'll kind of see where it might go. But that's that, guys. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. You know, it's a risk, but it's a risk that I'm willing to take. And remember, like, I'm also able to go back in and buy Cardano, you know, with dollars. I've got some dollars that I've got there ready for opportunities, but I'm working out basically where is it best to put my money to work hardest for me. So I hope that helps, guys. That's really more about portfolio management. So it's a big part of growing any trading account without taking on excessive risk. So let's wait and see what happens. Hopefully that was a good decision. We'll soon find out.